Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to dark mode on your Coinbase app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that the light mode is way too bright for your eyes. You go on Coinbase when it's night and you don't want it to be that bright. How do you actually go ahead and change it to dark mode? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Coinbase app. Next, you want to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, you want to click on your name and where it says account and settings. Now from this option here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says appearance located underneath the display. Now this is the really important step, guys. You have three different options here. You can either use your device's default mode, where in my case, my device is in dark mode. You can use light mode, or you can use dark mode. So go ahead and set it to dark mode, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the appearance of your Coinbase app to dark mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.